Lisa and I just got done watching the movie Inside. It's from 2023, so it's a new one. It's an hour 45 minutes long. And it says, when a heist goes awry, an elite art theft or thief must use his wit to survive after becoming trapped in a high-tech Times Square penthouse. And it's starring William Dafoe. He's pretty much one of the only people in the movie. What did you think of it, Lisa?
It was alright.
It kept my interest enough to see what was going to happen.
Well, yeah, but
because you really
after watching all those I don't know. It was okay. It's rated R, by the way, too.
Oh, it's rated R. Okay, yeah. It's considered a thriller. I thought that it was interesting enough that it did keep my interest. Some stuff was fairly predictable. Some things in the movie I feel like they could have, I don't know, done a little differently timeline wise. Took him some time to do certain things that I would have thought to do immediately upon realizing the situation. But yeah, I would recommend it to anyone who likes thrillers, and if you're a fan of Willem Dafoe, I would say yeah, definitely this would be one that you might enjoy. And I felt like he did a good job.
Yeah, it was good
with the acting and stuff. Yeah. If you ever seen Inside, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. And I'll link this below. I think it's on Amazon, and I'll put a link below. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one.